How to stop apps from refreshing in background on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you stop apps from refreshing in the background on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, simply tap on general. From general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on background app refresh. From here, you'll be able to choose the application that you want to just remove or stop apps from refreshing in background. Simply you can as usual turn off it for the all application. For that, simply you'll have to just tap and go to the option for off, as you can select for the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, you can select the application. That application will access background app refresh on your iPhone. To turn off, simply tap and toggle it off. After that, you'll be able to turn off or stop apps from refreshing in background on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.